In the vast tapestry of existence, we find ourselves woven into the fabric of the universe. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the profound connection between our individual consciousness and the greater cosmic reality that surrounds us. Let's dive into the simplicity of this connection. Imagine you're standing on the shore of a vast ocean, and each wave that gently caresses the sand represents a moment in your life. Now, extend your perspective beyond the horizon, recognizing that each wave is part of a boundless sea. Much like our individual consciousness is a part of the infinite ocean of universal awareness. Now, you might be wondering, how do we bridge the gap between our everyday experiences and this grand cosmic connection? Well, it starts with a shift in awareness. Picture a wise old oak tree. Its roots run deep into the earth, providing stability and nourishment. These roots symbolize our connection to the present moment, grounding us in the now. The trunk represents the person we are in this world, navigating through life's experiences. As we move up the branches, we reach toward the sky, symbolizing our connection to the greater cosmic reality. But how do we remain connected to this cosmic essence while still living our lives as individuals? The answer lies in conscious action. Think of it as a dance. Your daily actions and interactions become steps in this cosmic choreography. Consider the chuckle machine we talked about earlier. Just as its laughter spread joy in Quaintville, our actions can radiate positivity and contribute to the collective harmony of the universe. When you perform actions with a mindful presence, you allow the unconditioned consciousness to flow through you, shaping your responses to challenges and interactions. This idea isn't new. Ancient teachings like the Bhagavad Gita spoke of performing actions without being overly attached to the outcomes. It's the practice of karma yoga where each action becomes a spiritual practice, a dance of consciousness in the present moment. Gratitude, another key to connecting with the universe, is like appreciating the beauty of a flower without comparing it to others. It's not a narrative in your mind, but a deep acknowledgement of the aliveness around you. Gratitude isn't dependent on comparing yourself to others, but is an immediate sense perception of the beauty and aliveness of this moment. And now, let's dive deeper into the heart of this cosmic connection. Imagine you're perceiving the world around you, the room, the sounds, the sensations, but simultaneously, are you aware of yourself as the silent observer, the consciousness that experiences it all? This awareness of yourself as the space for all experiences is the essence of the present moment. It's not a dualistic separation. It's an intimate knowing of yourself as the unconditioned consciousness. In the Old Testament, God responds to the question of his name with "I am that I am." This echoes the essence of our being, the I am that transcends personal identity and connects us to the universal I am, the consciousness that animates all of existence. So as we stand at the intersection of the personal and the cosmic, let's recognize ourselves as the light of the world, the manifestation of the transcendent in this dimension. In embracing our role as conscious dancers in the cosmic choreography, we not only connect with the universe, but become active participants in the ongoing symphony of existence. As we navigate our lives with this heightened awareness, we find that every action becomes a step in the dance, every moment a note in the cosmic melody. And in this dance, we discover the profound truth that our individual consciousness is intricately interwoven with the boundless fabric of the universe, creating a harmonious symphony that echoes through the tapestry of existence.